Let's just do a very quick round robin on bits of advice that you would give to a first-time board member. So what would be the first bit of advice that you would give to somebody that's thinking of this or just started? Let's start with you, Penny.
I think I just have to go with just do it. Just get started. You can bring so much more value than you would think. Don't overthink and procrastinate like I may have done quite a bit.
Fantastic. Savita?
I would say understand the business, understand that company all about. The more you understand, then you know that you can add that much value. So just really get in. Don't think about, oh, what is this? I don't know anything about this area of company. Nothing. Just go get in. The more time you spend with the founder, the more time you spend with the company exec team, you really understand what are their challenges, what are they trying to solve. And that's where you can add value.
Yeah, it's that curiosity again. Fantastic. And finally, Guy?
One, I joined what Penny's saying, just do it, jump right in. Second, like anything else that is new, big eyes, big ears. I think that's very, very important. And third, I would say, don't be afraid to ask. You're learning. You're not supposed to know everything. And the more you ask, the more you know, and then ideas will come. You will find out what value you have while you're doing it. Things will start clicking as you go along.
Yeah, awesome. Look, thank you, the three of you, so much. I think you shared so much valuable information. Well done to everyone that is still on this call. I know it's been 3 hours. It is quite a big chunk of your day. So well done for everyone that is still here.